Today's video, we're down here with the Jeep at the shop with the boat, and I picked one of these up and I wanted to do a review on it because I ain't did a review on one of these items in a long time. You can get these for around 40 bucks. These is simpler than the ones that you just clamp on that can be cut. You know, these ain't got a bar, it goes across the top that boat cutters can cut. So we're going to be putting this on this boat latch, showing you how to do that and see how easy it is to install. Tony, you want to open it? Should be pretty easy. What do you think?
Yeah, it should be easy.
If you've not seen this boat in previous videos, I did a walk around of this boat. Maybe we'll fix it on the channel, build it. Description below is the video if you want to see this boat in detail. You know, Tony's about ready to lose the whole lot, and that is interesting. It's actually metal, and this is for a 2-inch 1/7/8 and more. We shouldn't need instructions, should we?
No.
Does that drop or pull out? I say it pulls down. Maybe we do need instructions. Slides out. So let's go in like so. Then you push it in, Tony. You should. Does that hit?
Yeah.
Then we take the key out. Wow, that's pretty cool, isn't it? It does flex, but it's solid. And what happens if we take this out? Can we take it out? Okay, I would probably leave that up.
Then do it.
Yeah, then do it. Okay, we go. Comes out quite easy, don't it?
Yeah.
Then we spin this back, pull this out, and that should go. Boom, like so. Pretty good, ain't it?
Yeah. You still ain't gonna be able to get it off no matter which way you try.
No, you ain't gonna be able to get it off. So, it should do pretty good. Tighten it up. Then if you wanted to, you could go across the top here with another lock. That should work. Should work pretty good. Oh. Here's the details on the box a little bit better, so you can get an idea of what it's for and the uses. Fits all different kinds. Here's on the back. Instructions. Okay, so that should be fine. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Let me know what kind of trailer lock you prefer. The best trailer lock is basically, you know, just having your boat in a safe place. But you never know, even safe places, that can happen. But this is an older boat, older trailer. You know, we got it set up here. And it's very well watched, this area is. Oh yeah, we got the hone. Gotta update you on that. Let's go inside. Bought a pallet jack. Best investment ever. Old place, you know, kind of going out of business and stuff. This is a Crown's pallet jack. It wasn't cheap, but it was affordable. You know, these new is very expensive. This wasn't new. It wasn't affordable, but it was needed. We moved the cabinet over here. We will arrange stuff as we get more stuff in here. But this right here is going to be a lot of content when we start building motors heavy. This is inside. I got a video of this CK cylinder hone. You know, it's on the channel. Check it out. You know, we need to squeegee this. The gutters were stopped up in the big heavy rain. You know, dancing in the water here. Came in and flooded the whole place. You can see where I cleaned the gutters. Gushing up right here. It just went straight into the doors. Go figure, right? So, as always, hopefully you found this video helpful. Hopefully you enjoyed this content and get subscribed if you're new. More content on the channel, tons more, you know. Check it out. You might like it if you're new. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I'll see you on the next one.